Hey signers, welcome back to Learn How to Sign with Kim Chris. So today we are going to be walking through every single thing you need to start up your first conversation using sign. I will show you how to start a conversation, ask and answer questions, and also use some super helpful signs along. Firstly, we are going to get the attention of the person who is deaf or hard of hearing. We can wave, tap on the table, or on their shoulders. Now, this give a visual clue. So let's begin. Good, good, good. Your non-dominant hand open flat this way, and your dominant hand from your chin falling back on your non-dominant hand. Good, good, good. Morning, morning, morning. So your dominant hand serving as a sun, and your non-dominant hand rising. So morning, when the sun rises, morning, 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 morning. Afternoon, afternoon, afternoon. Now we are going to think of this as the sun is already risen. So afternoon, afternoon, afternoon. Evening, evening, evening. So we are going to think of this as the sun going down. Evening, evening. It could also be same with night. Night, night. Evening. What's up? What's up? What's going on? What's happening? They are all same. What's up? What's up? What's up? Hello. 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 A flat hand from your head, your forehead, pulling out. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Just a wave, your flat hand, and wave. Hi. Hi. Bye. Bye. It could be bye or bye. Same way at the end of your conversation. Bye. Bye. Take care. Take care. Your letter K sign, your non-dominant hand and your dominant hand coming on each other. Take care. Take care. You. You. Your index finger pointing at the person you're having conversation with or whosoever you're talking to. You. 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 What? 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 Like your 5 hands this way, splitted out, 5 fingers splitted out, and waving in and out. What? Don't mind you with your facial expression. Like you're curious, you want to know what's happening, or you're trying to ask a question. What? What? Me. Your index finger pointing at yourself on your chest. Your index finger going down to your chest, pointing at you. Me or I. They are same. Me. I. Me. I. So now that we have learned some signs, let's see how they can be used in conversations. Okay, let's talk about eye contact. Eye contact is so important when signing with anybody. It shows that you are giving attention to the conversation, or you are paying attention to what conversation people are having. Now, imagine you're looking at your phone and also raising your head to look at the person you're having conversation with. It's rude, and you will miss out on important part of the conversation, or some part of the conversation. So make sure you pay attention and you maintain eye contact throughout the entire conversation. If you have signed and learned with me till this point, please like, share, comment if this video has also helped you, and then click on the notification button to get new videos when it drops. Thank you. Love you.